Hey Shaker and Spooners, Sother Teague here. I want to take a second and show you the technique of flaming the oil to finish the drink. What you want to do is consider your glass as the target, consider the lemon oil the weapon, and then we're going to put a flame in between the target and the weapon, right? We're going to spray the oil through the flame, which will ignite and caramelize and then land on top of the drink. It'll add a new layer of smoky aroma, and aroma is 90% of flavor. Here's how it's done. Flame in between the target and the weapon. Doesn't seem like much, but it's a lot.